Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If this is your first time, my name is Mamri, and this is my monetization story. I never thought I'll be making this story, but I have a thought that I should share my story. Hopefully, it might help some of my fellow content creators. I was in Ghana in September when all of a sudden my channel took off. And then 2 3 days, I had this email and hours that I didn't even know because I was busy. And I was demonetized. They said it was reuse content. To be honest with you, I was doing everything all right. But when I got to Ghana and some news came, I thought I've watched other people's video. They were doing what I did and they have no problem. I can see ad on their videos. So why not one video, months and years of videos that these people are doing the same thing. So how were they doing it? I thought, well, I should also try it. And there was only 2 videos that I did the same way. These videos, most of you know already. I remember one got 65,000 views and it got me 1,000+ subscribers. And then the other one, so it was 2 videos that I got reuse content from it. And it was sad, but it's like I was expecting it. It was like, well, I don't care, because when I got monetized, what am I getting? I didn't even get anything. Like the time I spent on my channel and the money I spent, I didn't get that much before I got demonetized. So I do not feel it. I can understand how other people will feel different way because they rely on this. So I start searching into these demonetization videos, and it is sad that even people with millions of subscribers get demonetized. So I decided to share this video. If you are a new content creator or even old content creator, listen to this story. Don't think it might not happen to you, because I knew some people, or I saw some people that use their own content, but yet they were demonetized. So I said on somebody's comment that I think everyone once in a while will get demonetized. I'm sorry, but I don't wish it on anyone, because some people rely on this YouTube, this is their everything. So I don't wish this on my worst enemy. What did I do and what will I do differently? Will I do anything different? I will say no. When I got that message, I got shocked, like I said, but then it just leaving me. I went into my survivor mood, and I tell myself, look, you started this channel not for money. You started this channel not knowing you will get paid. So keep doing what you are doing. For them to notice you, it means you are doing something good. So keep doing what you are doing. That was advice to myself. And what did I do? I was even posting 2 videos a day. I didn't mind. So if you are listening to me today, you got demonetized, instead of covering your head with pillow and crying and give up and asking yourself, what did I do wrong? I would say macho yourself. My advice to you, macho yourself and keep pushing. Remember why you started. Keep pushing. Before, they said it used to be 1 month when they demonetize you. Now it's 3 good months. I wanted to demonetize. I could have reapplied in 21st of November, but I didn't have the feeling and the push to reapply. But you know yourself, some of our content creators, they were pushing me, why not reapply? Because since the day I was demonetized, and I know what I've done wrong, in September, the following videos have changed everything. And I left those videos on, the reuse content. I didn't rush to delete them. No, 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 no. I did. I kept them going. So I will get my subscribers. You see what I mean? So people will get to know who I am. And those who will stay with me will stay with me. I kept those videos going, running, even though I was demonetized. So what I'm saying is, don't go and delete the videos straight away. You have 3 months. Prepare your channel. Change whatever changes you want to change. And then maybe a month before you want to reapply. If you want to delete them, you can delete them. Put them in private, edit them. I know not all of us know how to do that, but learn how to do them. Edit them on your studio. And I'll, if you know your videos are not getting more views, if you delete them, it will affect your watch hour and big time. So I will advise you, don't delete them, edit them and keep them in private. But give yourself some time and produce more videos. So do your own videos regularly, maybe once a day or whatever, as much as you can. Changing the algorithm or whatever they call it. Look at me now giving YouTube advice. But I think it changed some things. According to my research, when you change, it changed something. So if by the grace of God, one of your videos or two or three take off, when you reapply, those are the videos that will help you. I think you get what I mean. So all I'm trying to say is, don't panic. It's not the end of the world. Don't panic, because I've seen a lot of people give up and they don't come back. We start with a lot of people because of demonetization. They stop YouTube and they gave up. And the beginning is the hardest. How to start a channel is the hardest. So you pass the hardest stage. You learn your lesson. So please don't give up. Instead of leaving your channel there, keep producing more videos so you can push the algorithm to your side and come back. Because if you leave it and then you come back weeks and months later, people will run away. People don't have time. You know, they will find another channel that they fall in love, or another person they fall in. They will not come back to you again. So please keep producing. Have the courage. Tell them, no, you are not going to give up. You know, no one is safe. Even now that 3 or 4 days ago that I'm monetized again, I'm not 100% sure. Anything can happen at any time. And I'm prepared for it, because this platform is not mine. It's for them. They can decide to do whatever they want to do with it. Don't give up. Please don't ever give up. Get the courage, get the push, and instead produce more videos to change your channel. Change small things, and don't go straight away and delete that video, because that video has got their attention and has got the audience attention about what you are doing. By deleting it immediately, everyone will run away from you, and then you'll be left on your own. I've seen a lot of channels with a lot of subscribers but few views. And it's sad to see that people have 1 million or 100,000 subscribers, and you check and they have like 20 view, 30 view, 100 view. It's very depressing. If you don't want anything like that, keep those videos until you are almost ready. I'm saying to those who will not give up, until you are ready to reapply, put them in private, give yourself some time, and then apply for it. And hopefully you will get monetized again. Who knows? We are all trying. The aim of you opening your channel, if you still have that aim, you will do anything for your channel and for yourself. I wish you all good luck, and I wish you a happy Christmas. Before you receive this video, my membership will be on. That's also something that I never thought of doing. Since I got monetized, I said I'm not going to turn membership on. But this time I will turn it on. The reason being that we'll form a community with the membership. So in case, God forbid, something like this happen again, we have our community, we can put heads together, we can do our own thing, because the message has to go out at all costs. Thank you so much. God bless you. I do appreciate your support, and I haven't taken your time and your love for granted. God bless you and your families. Thank you. I can't thank you enough. If you are new here, please subscribe and follow me. I share African news, true life stories, and traveling. If you click on this video because of demonetization, I encourage you to stay positive. Keep producing your videos. Concentrate. Don't let them beat you. Thank you. God bless you. This video will be too long, but God bless you. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.